Here at Grip Incorporated, we know that flow-paced sampling can be quite confusing, so we're here to help you. Flow-paced sampling requires an electronic signal from a flow measurement device. All ISCO flow meters include a pulsed output compatible with ISCO samplers. That value is a programmable setting in the flow meter. Non-ISCO flow meter devices are commonly connected using a 4 to 20 milliamp loop signal. In order to flow pace a sampler, you must know what kind of signal you have and the flow volume each pulse represents. Depending on whether you have an ISCO or non-ISCO flow meter, finding the volume per pulse will differ. Let's start with flow pacing an ISCO sampler with an ISCO flow meter. Begin by calculating the interval which you want the sampler to actuate. For example, if you are required to collect a sample every 10,000 gallons and each pulse represents 100 gallons, you would program the sampler to collect a sample every 100 pulses. Now let's take a look at how to pace a sampler from a non-ISCO flow meter. With a 4 to 20 milliamp current loop, you need to know what the full-scale flow rate is and what the time unit is in order to figure out the volume per pulse. Using gallons per minute as an example, at full scale or 20 milliamps, the sampler will generate 5 pulses per minute. You then divide the maximum flow rate by that time factor to find out the volume represented by a single pulse. For example, if full scale or 20 milliamps equals 100 gallons per minute, you divide that by 5 pulses per minute and get 20 gallons per pulse. Once you know the gallons per pulse, use that number to calculate the pulses per sample. In this example, if you needed a sample every 10,000 gallons, it would be 10,000 gallons divided by 20 gallons per pulse equals 500 pulses per sample. Now that you found your pulses per sample, you can program it into your meter and you're ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're here to help you.